Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 27 Honda Fit EXL. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 1.5 inline 4-cylinder pushing out 130 horsepower. Four wheels have got 16-inch alloys. Black leather interior. Sunroof. Fit badging. Open up the tailgate, got a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Power windows. Steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Touchscreen media display. Rear view backup camera. Climate controls. Automatic transmission. Heated seats. This Fit has 51,532 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Honda, check out feldmanimports.com.